Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B and I cover all things home organization, home decor, and lifestyle. So be sure to hit that like button down below and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the family and it helps to support the growth of my channel, so subscribe down below. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be doing a clean with me, and this is going to be different from the clean with me's that I've done before. I really love doing these because honestly, like, they're meant to really motivate you to just get going and clean your house. And I like watching these. Like, oddly, it motivates me to clean my house, like oddly. However, like I said, today this is going to be a little different than the clean with me's that I've done in the past. I am going to be just focusing on one part of my apartment, which is my kitchen, and I am going to be going in the kitchen cabinets and purging some things and, you know, just cleaning up some things. I wouldn't say I'm doing like a full organizational video because I do have some systems in place. Because my cabinet spaces are so small and narrow, it's really hard to use products. So I like to just make sure everything is straightened out, and I purge every now and again. And it's about that time to be purging some of the things just in my kitchen in general. So really this video is meant to kind of motivate you all to really deep clean your kitchen. And when I say deep clean, not just, you know, wipe down the baseboards and stuff, which we're going to be doing today, the walls, everything, but also cleaning out everything in your kitchen cabinets that you've been avoiding, because I've been avoiding some of these things. Like, I have too many cups that I don't use, just random like kitchen gadgets, and like this top little thing right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of purging, a lot of throwing away, and just making sure everything is straightened up. So before I get into that, let me show you guys just kind of the current state of my kitchen. Here's the current state of my kitchen. Yeah, it's a mess. Got my shoes. I just went running and worked out this morning. So definitely gonna be doing dishes. I need to unload the dishwasher. Here is under my sink. So it's still pretty like fairly clean, but there are some problem areas that I want to fix. I need to kind of like relabel these because, you know, the labels are kind of coming off. So definitely need to kind of just do like a nice little refresh under here. Also, the next cabinet in here is like where I store my pots and pans and like my little dishware. This kind of fell and so I usually just kind of stick this up here. Oh god, I'm sure. So I usually stick these up here, but as you can see, it falls. So I need to find like a solution to, I need to either, I don't know, I probably will store some of my pots and pans under there. And I think, honestly, that's what it's for, especially in a small space like this, to store your pots and pans, because you can't broil anything. Oh my God, that is so dirty. That is, y'all, that's embarrassing. But I mean, this is a clean with me, but you can't broil anything in here, apparently. So I'm gonna store some things in here, try to figure out a solution for this. And as you can see, I really, really love this pot holder, which I think I got this one from the Container Store, but they do sell these at Marshall and Home Goods, so definitely check them out. But it's just a lot going on under here and it's really annoying, so I wanna just kind of clean this up under here. My drawers aren't too bad, just have like my silverware. Definitely want to clean out my drawers, clean this out, kind of straighten that up and make it really nice. And then this drawer, it's kind of like my junk drawer. It's not too bad. I have things like in baggies and things of that nature. So, but I definitely want to clean this out as well because there's some things in there that I'm like, I'm not even using. Up here is where I keep like my dishware, glasses, cups. As you can see, it's kind of getting really, really cluttered right there. So I definitely want to kind of clean that out. And then I have like all the things that I use to entertain up there. So if I have people over, I have like white dishes and stuff, which I really, really love. As well as this is like my spice space. And yeah, I really struggle with this space. I'm not gonna lie to you, like this is a very like much struggle for me because it's so narrow, but I'm gonna do some straightening up in here. Again, I'm not gonna really be implementing too many like systems today. But anyway, like I said, the focus today of the cleaning video is gonna be the kitchen. So I am going to go ahead and get started and tackle everything, kind of time lapse this. and then I'll show you guys the after. So let's get into it.
All right, so I'm gonna start by washing the dishes first just to kind of clear out the kitchen. And I really like to do this with any of my cleaning routines when cleaning the kitchen. So next I am just wiping down the fridge, and honestly it wasn't as dirty as I thought it was going to be, so it didn't really take me that long. So I did the fridge and the freezer. Alright, so next I'm going to take some glass cleaner and clean off the oven after I already wiped it down just to make it shiny and nice, and then clean out the microwave as well. And then I moved to the cabinets next. So I started with the spice cabinet by taking everything out and kind of purging what I didn't need and wiping down the cabinet. Again, I wasn't really doing any organizational systems in the cabinet, just kind of straightening up, as well as the same for my pots and pans, just kind of taking things out, wiping things down, and then kind of rearranging the placement. So as I told you before, I put pans in under the sink, and then just kind of rearranging things in this cabinet. I will say that I wanted to get to all the cabinets in the kitchen, but it was very overwhelming that day, so I'm gonna have to do it in phases. But honestly, I was happy with the product. Alright, and here's what my kitchen looks like after cleaning. I just love how a fresh kitchen feels after just doing a deep clean. Again, I didn't put any organizational systems in my spice drawer, just kind of straightened everything out, and I threw in a lot of spices if you don't recognize, but I did. So it's a little empty, and I stacked some in the back of the cabinet, as well as I'm really happy how this cabinet came out. It's just way more functional, and again, I got that pot holder from the Container Store, so definitely check that out if you're interested. And then again, just straightening up that cabinet as well, and everything is just so nice and neat, and it just makes me feel so much better. Of course, I have some other cabinets I need to do within my kitchen, so maybe I'll do a separate video. I don't know, we'll see.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this motivational clean with me, and I hope that it motivated you to clean your kitchen in particular. Like I said in the voiceover, I'm so tired. I did not get to all of the cabinets that I wanted to get to today, but I am going to get to them, like I promise. Probably won't make a video on it, but I'll get to them because yeah, they just need to be clean. But I hope you enjoyed the ones that I showed you all. And I hope again that it inspired you to clean out your kitchen cabinets. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.